welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is using the Aurora and Out palette from Colourpop. It's one of the newest palettes in their pastel collection. So I'll be showing you how I did this eye look and giving you my first impressions on this first palette. So if you want to see how I did this, make sure you keep watching. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button down below. It really helps me out. All right, let's jump in. So before we jump in, I just want to let you guys know, yes, I am sick. I do sound a bit funny at the moment. I apologize. I am starting to feel a little bit better. It has been a full week now that I've been sick. I do have a chest infection. So yeah, that's why I sound a bit funny, but it's probably the best I've felt this whole week so far. So yeah, I'm sitting down and filming a few videos for this week for you guys. All right, let's jump in. Okay, so I'm just going to swatch these for you. So this is the Aurora and Out palette. If you want to see how the other palettes work out and what looks I create with them, then make sure you subscribe down below because I will be posting those shortly. Okay, so to start off with, I'm going to do top row, middle row, and then bottom row from left to right. So to start off with, I'm going to go in with Young Love. So it is a matte white, you can barely see it. Tuck it on. The next colour is Energetics, and this is the glitter formula. So these are an eye topper. So very sparkly, but they do have like the clear background, so they go nicely over the matte pigments. Next colour is a Vibez. So it is the blue shimmery colour in the palette. I am also wearing Vibez on my lower lash line and inner corner today. Next colour is Eurovision, and it is like a yellowy, peachy shimmer, like it's got specks of glitter through it. Next colour is Fresh Cut, and it looks like a matte lime green. A lot of fallout in this one, as you saw. Next colour is New Age, and this is the colour that I have on my inner lids. So it's like a minty green. It's really pretty, really green. Next colour is a Solar Hour, so it's like a matte orangey colour. Then Healing Heart, this is like a shimmery lime green. And the last colour is Soul Sister, and this is the green that I had trouble with because it is the Super Shock shadow formula, so I didn't get as much payoff as I hoped for on my eyes. But it swatches really nice. It might also be one that I would have had to go in with my finger and not a brush. So that is Aurora and Out palette swatches. And now we'll jump into today's look using this palette. Okay, so first of all, I'm going into the shadow down here. It's called Solar Hour. So it's a yellowy, orangey, like nudish colour. So I'm going to place that in my crease. Okay, so there is a bit of fallout in the pan there, quite a bit. So just a word of warning to do the eyeshadow first prior to doing your face makeup, just so you don't end up with any of that down below. Otherwise, make sure you bake whilst you do your eyes. Okay, so next colour I'm going to go ahead and use is Healing Heart. It is the middle green down here. It's like a lime green, but it's got some shimmer to it. Again, I'm just going to place that in my crease. Okay, again, I had quite a bit of fallout in the pan. So now I'm going to jump over to Soul Sister, and it is this nice minty green shimmer over here, and I'm going to place that on my outer half of my eyelids. Okay, so their shadow is a bit hard to play with. It is a very, very soft formula, so when you press in, it does indent. So when you press in, it does indent. It's a very soft, like the Super Shock shadows, and it doesn't give too much of a colour payoff, so you have to pack it on quite nicely. Okay, so I'm going to jump into New Age, this colour here. I'm going to try and pack that on my inner half. I think what I might do is I might cut my crease first to see if I can get the colour to pop quite a bit more. Okay, so next colour I'm jumping into is Vibez. It's this top right hand corner one. So I'm going to grab a little bit of that and see if I can place it on my inner corner. Okay, it looks really nice. Again, a lot of fallout in the pan. I just really want to check out this glitter. It is definitely like a pressed glitter, so let's just pop a little bit of that on the center of my lid. Okay, so I'm just going to speed up the next part. I'm going to do my face makeup, and I will come back and do the lower lash line with you guys in a minute. Okay, so grabbing what was left on the brush from Vibez, I'm just going to take that along the lower lash line. Okay, and I'm going to take a little bit of Eurovision, this colour on the side here, and pop that underneath with that blue. And I'm just going to take a little bit of Vibez again. I'm just going to blend that out to get rid of a little bit of the yellowness. Okay, and I'm just going to take a little bit of Young Love, the white, and I'm just going to place that under my brow. Okay, so now I'm going to jump into the highlighter that I got. It's called Manifest That. So I did a swatch in a video that I posted before this, so I'll link it above for you. And I'm going to use this to highlight all the normal spots on my face. Just going to take this fluffy brush here. It's got a little bit of concealer on it, but that's okay. And I'm just going to jump in with some white liner in my waterline just to open my eyes up nicely. Alright, so I'm just going to do lashes and then I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. I actually really like the colours of this palette. I really like how my eyes turned out, and I paired it with just like a nice juicy pink lip, nice and glossy. So my first impressions on the Aura and Out palette, there is a lot of fallout, but I'm okay with that. I don't mind fallout. I just need to do my eyes first so that the fallout doesn't ruin my foundation and concealer. The Soul Sister shadow, you can see here where I've tapped into it, it's a very soft. So it is like their Super Shock shadow formula. So whilst it's absolutely stunning, it didn't give me a massive amount of payoff for a small amount. I had to sit there and build it on to get any colour to show up. I think the key to it is probably using it wet. So I didn't use any of my brushes wet today. I just cut my crease and I packed the shadow on top. So I think it turned out really nice. I really like this palette. I think it's definitely worth it. So I also tried out the Colourpop highlighter in Manifest That, and I absolutely love it. It is beautiful. And can I just say, this is amazing. There's so much product in this. So much. Look at that. So it's nice and thin, so it's still like cute packaging. It's not over the top or anything, but comes with a decent amount of product. I don't think it is one that I could possibly like hit pan on anytime soon. So I'm very excited for that. So that is my first impressions on the Aurora and Out palette. I have not had a chance to try Inner Trance and Miss Bliss yet, so I will try these in upcoming videos and I will link them above when I do post them for you guys. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.